Hey, what day is it?
It is Thursday, the 4th of November, 2021.
How frustrating is that? You only get to ask it one question and then it turns off. But there is a solution and I'll show you what it is. So luckily this is quite easy. All you need to do is open your Google Home app. Click on your account in the top right hand corner and go to Assistant Settings. Scroll all the way down until you get to Continued Conversation and select that. You'll see the little on-off switch here. You can see the update is successful. You can also see what is available to turn on here. So in this case, it's my living room Google Home. If you have multiple Google Homes around the house, the ones that this applies to will show up in the availability list. Once that's done, just back out of the entire program and we'll give Google another go. Hey, what's the tallest mountain in the world?
The world's tallest mountains include Mount Everest at 8,848.86 meters, K at 8,611 meters, and 8 others.
What's the tallest building in the world?
The world's tallest buildings include the Burj Khalifa at 828 meters, the Shanghai Tower at 632 meters, and 8 others.
What time is sunset today?
Today, the sun will set at 7:58 p.m.
What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, the sun will set at 7:59 p.m.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, sunset is at 8:02 p.m.
What about Monday?
On Monday, sunset is at 8:03 p.m.
You could see how this can become annoying. What about next Wednesday?
That's too bad, because I really like you.
All right, now one thing I will say...
All right, here's a few more. There's Kinchinjunga, the Lhotse, and Makalu. And then there's Soooooo, Dhaulagiri, and Manaslu.
Okay, stop. She got a little carried away. There is one other thing you can do. So what will happen is it will continue to listen to all your questions, but you can make it stop with just saying a particular word. Hey, what's the weather going to be in Melbourne tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Melbourne, Australia, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 24 and a low of 17.
What about Saturday?
Saturday in Melbourne, Australia, it'll be rainy with a high of 26 and a low of 13.
Thank you.
No worries. I'm here to help.
So all you got to do is say thank you and then it will stop listening and just turn itself off and wait for you to say, hey Google again. Oh, I was scared I turned it back on. So that's it. Nice and easy to do, and it is a setting, honestly, that is going to change your life. To be able to, I'm probably over-exaggerating that, but believe me, no more having to say, hey Google, to get it to start up time and time again. Like that. If you ended up doing this for your Google Home, let me know what you thought in the comments section. And this brings us to the end of the video, so if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.